My name is Ron Bracalente, and I'm the President and CEO of Bracalente Manufacturing. Bracalente Manufacturing is a 67-year-old family business. The customer mission is to provide value and to be the best at what we do and to be a leader in our industry. We have a great environment, a great culture, great employees. At Bracalente, we care about the people that work here just like you care about your family.
Anthony Pataro III, co-op engineer. As a family, we work together with one another, we help one another, and ultimately we all succeed.
Joan Ann Keller, and I am an assembler. You need to feel like a family, to work together as a team and accomplish the goals that are set for you.
My name is Alex Bing Kian. I'm a CNC operator. So work here feels like families. We all work together, help each other.
My name is Luke Gasper, and I'm a quality engineer here at Bracalente Manufacturing Company. To me, family is people that you care about. When you care about the people that you're working with, I think that translates to really caring about the customers.
Students should get a job in manufacturing because it's a life of learning.
Because it really affords you an opportunity to think creatively, work with your hands, and as well as work with a lot of new and interesting technologies.
Manufacturing is about the joy of creation. If you love making things, if you played with Legos as a kid, if you enjoy working with a team, or problem solving for that matter, all those are good reasons to consider a career in manufacturing.
So you're constantly learning and developing, and for that reason the opportunities are endless.